Vayishlach, ideas in the realm of Gematria from the Parsha and for the Geulah, which means for the redemption. Geulah means redemption in Hebrew. This is Article 8 because the Parsha of Vayishlach is the 8th Parsha in the cycle of Torah readings. How lucky and how special must Benjamin be? He has a whole Parsha just for himself. Said in lightheartedness, but in a certain way, it's true. The birth of the 11 of the 12 sons of Jacob, or the tribes of Israel, were mentioned in last week's Torah portion of Vayetze, and the birth of only one, last but not least, Benjamin, is mentioned in this week's Torah portion of Vayishlach. Benjamin is unique from the other brothers in another way, that his mother Rachel and his father Jacob had different names for him. And it came to pass, when her soul departed, for she died, that she named him Ben-Oni, but his father calls him Benjamin. Genesis 35:18. Although we all know which name stayed, the realm of Gematria can give meaning to both names and how they relate to their respective namers. Ben-Oni, the name his mother Rachel gave him, has a numerical value of 119. In relation to crying, the word in Hebrew for a single tear is dima, and dima has a numerical value of exactly 119. Concerning Benjamin's mother Rachel, it is written, "So says the Lord, a voice is heard on high, lamentation, bitter weeping, Rachel weeping for her children. She refuses to be comforted for her children, for they are not." Jeremiah 31:14. Dim'ah, tear, equals 119. However, crying requires a minimum of 2 tears. I mean, that's being hyper-literal, but in actuality, it's true. A person needs at least 2 tears to be crying. Shedding tears. 119 plus 119, 2 tears, equals 238. It is very interesting to find out that the Hebrew word Rachel has a numerical value of exactly 238. With regard to the name that Jacob gave his son Benjamin, and the name that we all refer to, Benjamin truly was and is what is referred to as a Ben Zikunim, a child or a son of one's old age. Although Joseph is called that as well in next week's Torah portion. But if Joseph is called a Ben Zikunim, then surely Benjamin is one as well, since he's younger than Joseph. The word zikna in Hebrew means old age, and zikna has a numerical value of 162. In fact, the name Benjamin has a numerical value of no less and no more than 162. Shabbat Shalom. Have a great Shabbos.